Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to use the agent builder in Copilots. Nowadays, it's available for you, or basically a possibility for you to make your own agents using the agent builder in Copilot chat. And this is how you can do it. First of all, this is enabled for users automatically. You simply have to write it as a prompt. So how does it give you a value on what's different between the Copilot as an agent or AI and an agent that you want? Now, users can now use the agent builder experience in Microsoft 365 Copilot chat to create and use their own agents. By creating agents with specific instructions and grounded information, users save time and enjoy consistent experience. They can use these agents in their Copilot chat experience or share them with colleagues to boost organizational productivity. This helps a lot for businesses who will basically train their own agent and would like to have one agent for all the company. This agent will have all the data for the company and will help all the employees to be synchronized. So, the feature details: Agent Builder in Copilot Chat is new offering that adds pay-as-you-go agent to the existing free chat experience for Microsoft 365 commercial customers. All Copilot Chat users automatically get this feature. Simply, the user selects create an agent in the right row to open the embedded agent builder, and users can describe their agent purpose in natural language, including instructions like the tone the agent uses. Users can set up the agent on the configure page by entering values such as website grounding if their admin enables it, SharePoint files, and connectors if their license allows them. Users test the agent in the test chat panel before publishing it, and once it is published, you can share it now with your colleagues and basically use it for other purposes. And this is how it should look like. So this is the Copilot. Here, help me build an extension, and basically I need an extension to help new team members get up by helping them throughout new team member tasks, etc., and so go on. And yeah guys, that was it. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.